Hello, everybody. I'm Mary Aldhouse, and today we're going to take a closer look at the contents of Part 2 of Young and the Japanese People, which we saw last time. Before we get to that, though, let's review what we studied in our last lesson. Do you remember the difference between ga arimasu and ga imasu?
帽子があります。帽子があります。猫がいます。猫がいます。
箱があります。箱があります。犬がいます。犬がいます。
箱があります。ライオンがいます。
いいえ、ライオンはいません。
います。
いません。これはテープです。
Were you able to follow that? I think it brought back the difference between arimasu and imasu, didn't it? Imasu is used of people and animals, and arimasu of other things. In the next exercise, you don't need to give the name of each object. Just say aloud whether you should use arimasu or imasu with it. They'll appear one after another, so answer quickly.
あります。あります。います。あります。います。います。あります。います。います。います。あります。います。あります。います。あります。います。
How did you do? That last one was a bit tricky, but I think the answer should have been arimasu. In the skit about Young, these words were used like this.
ヤンさん、池がありますよ。
何かいますか？
何もいませんね。あれ、猫がいますよ。
どこに？
あれ、猫がいますよ。
どこに？
Were you able to catch that? Taro said, 猫がいますよ to tell Jan that there was a cat. To this, Yang replied, どこに? This means just, where? In asking where, Yang omitted imasu ka, so let's return this question to its full sentence form.
どこにいますか?
This means, where is the cat? So it seems as though we should say, 猫はどこにいますか? But here it is more natural to leave out 猫は. That's because both the speaker and the listener know that they're talking about the cat, so there's no need to repeat 猫は. I think you can understand this point easily from the flow of the conversation.
猫がいますよ。
どこにいますか?
猫がいますよ。
どこにいますか?
Well then, what was the answer to Jan's question? Where was the cat? Let's take a look at the next part of the skit.
何かいますか？
何もいませんね。あれ、猫がいますよ。
どこに？
ほら、あそこにいますよ。あそこにいますよ。
The answer was あそこにいますよ. We can remove yo and get this basic sentence pattern. Listen to Mine-san and then practice pronouncing it.
あそこにいます。あそこにいます。
In this case, too, the sentence means the cat is over there, but for the same reason I mentioned a moment ago, it would be unnatural to repeat neko wa. Now, let's listen once more to the flow of the conversation from the point where the cat first appears.
猫がいますよ。
どこにいますか？
あそこにいます。
Asoko ni imasu. This expression is used to tell where the cat is, isn't it? But what positions can asoko be used to express? Let's see what positional relationships asoko and the related word koko show.
猫はどこにいますか？